I wanted to try out some hairstyles from different cultures and communities, and the first one that I'm going to try is an FLDS hairstyle, Fundamentalist Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. They are separate from mainstream Mormons. There was a split, and mainstream Mormons gave up polygamy and the FLDS did not. So they live a very isolated cult-like existence, and they wear their hair in very distinctive styles. So, you know, I'm not making a judgment call on their lifestyle. I grew up in a cult-like group, wearing ankle-length skirts and, you know, being ultra feminine, really strict gender roles and all of that stuff. So it kind of calls to me, it kind of feels like familiar to my background, and maybe that's why I'm curious to try their hairstyles. Now there is one thing that is standing in the way, well, two things technically. They start their styles with a huge, beautiful puff in the front, a big pompadour, oval shape, and they get that by teasing, backcombing, which I don't do with my hair. So I'm going to achieve as much of a bump as I can without teasing and hairspray, but it's not going to be as spectacular.
But it's okay.
So I've got my half up.
I can jump.
I'm going to give it a couple of twists and then shove it up. And then I'm going to put in a slide here.
It says me. But
Oh, is this one too small? Okay. Hey, that's not bad for no teasing and no hairspray. All right, I'm pleased with that. They usually do some kind of a swoop with it too, but I'm not going to press my luck. I think that's pretty darn good. So, the next part is various different kinds of braids, and all of them have an unusual distinctive quality of having very loose kind of cage braid effect. I'll show you what I mean as I do it, but you can do this as a singular Dutch braid, you can do it as two lace braids, you can do it as a single French braid, and they all come out with this effect because of the technique that is used. So I am going to try, which one do I want to do? I'm going to try the Dutch. So I'm going to take this hair, divide it in three, begin a Dutch braid. Now here is the key to this look. You're going to keep the hair directed upwards. The braid itself is pretty tight, but you're going to do the braiding. See, I'm going to be good about taking small sections. You're going to hold it away from your head as you braid, and that is what's going to give it the puffiness. They're good at taking very small sections. That is something that I've always been bad at with my French and Dutch braids. I just take too big of a chunk. You gotta have, your arms might get tired doing this. That's why a lot of the women and girls will do each other's hair. They'll have like a train of people doing hairstyles, like you would see like a shoulder rubbing train. I don't know if people still do that, but they probably do.
Daddy, let's go downstairs. Daddy. Daddy.
Hello.
Hello.
Look at this. It's so special. I can even look.
Yes, it's eyelashes.
So
Hey, Eric.
beautiful.
Could you get out of the way of the camera?
And now,
You need to stop.
when you put it down, it puffs out because of how you've directed it. So now I can finish off this.
One. Are you gonna stop? Okay. There you go. Priya, put out my bag of
And
crystals.
then the bottom part gets tucked under, and they usually use like a large scrunchie to hold it there.
Priya, put it. Priya, put your.
So there would be like a big scrunchie here, which I don't know where scrunchie is, but
Get that bag after Priya put it down. After Priya put it down, I don't catch it.
there we go. Now, this is supposed to be a very oval shape. This is my first time trying this, so I don't think it's quite perfect. Let's see, I'm gonna put a pin in here just to keep it straight.
Priya. Thank you.
Why is-
Oh, these aren't crystals. These are dice.
Let
Okay.
me see. Let me see.
They're dice.
Let me see. Let me see your dices. What kind of
So there is a traditional FLDS hairstyle.
So special.
I like that one pretty well.
Yeah.